Clean air is a must. But what can we do if you cannot apply the word fresh to the air at your own home? Today we have an expert, Lindsay Wallace, who will tell us about some sources of air pollution at home.
Well, you're right, Kevin. There are different pollutants at our homes. To begin with, the most widespread is steam. Steam from cooking. This pollutant is easy to avoid. You just need to turn on the fan over your stove.
Thank you, Lindsay. We will continue our talk about sources of pollution after the short advertisement.
Clean air is a necessity, but how can we get with ever-growing sources of pollution? Nowadays, air quality can be questioned even at our own homes, where a lot of things can act as pollutants. Let's have a look at some words that can help you if you want to speak about the problem of the clean air. Air conditioning, кондиционер. Air pollution, загрязнение воздуха. Allergic, аллергичный. Asthma, астма. Breathe, дышать. Cause, вызывать. Dust, пыль. Dust mite, пылевой клещ. Filter, фильтр. High, высокий. Indoors, внутри, в помещении. Insect, насекомое. Leave, покидать, оставлять. Mold, плесень, грибок. Paint, краска. Pollutant, загрязнитель. Pollute, загрязнять. Reduce, уменьшать. Regularly, регулярно. Require, требовать. Smoke, дым. Spray, спрей. Steam, пар. Temperature, температура. Trap, ловушка, заманивать в ловушку. Warm, теплый.